The Scrambler was one of the most iconic Jeeps ever made, and today we're going to show you how Vigilante reimagined it. So here it is, the Vigilante Scrambler 001, also called the Schwab Scrambler. This Jeep is the prize vehicle for the 2026 Charles Schwab PGA tournament happening here in Fort Worth, Texas. So how did this all come together? So the Scrambler has been on our radar for quite some time. We started the engineering process early in 2025, and we were planning on the launch around the first quarter of 2026. So when the team at Charles Schwab contacted us for this unique opportunity, we were excited to get the ball rolling even faster. So let's look back in time. The Scrambler was produced between 1981 and 1986. Short production run and limited volume. The versatility and the fact that it is a recreational vehicle but also a very utilitarian vehicle makes this super attractive. It sits right in there between a classic Jeep and a pickup truck. This platform really gives you something bold, open air, utilitarian, and still so much fun to drive. So today we're going to dive into what makes this particular car super special, but also have a look at what makes it a production vehicle within the Vigilante family. As you know, everything starts with the foundation, the chassis. The stock chassis was flimsy, too light, and would not be able to hold modern horsepower. So we took this to the drawing board, just the way we did with the Wagoneers, Cherokees, and the J-Trucks. 3D scanned the body and developed everything around a 392 crate engine. With a long-standing history with the Roadster shop, they were the right partner for us to get this started. A chassis engineered specifically for us, for our production vehicles, that would stay true to the quality that Vigilante and the Roadster shop both stand for. Fully boxed from front to back. 4-link suspension, front and back. A brand new Dana 44 in the front, a brand new Dana 60 in the back. 6-piston brakes all around. Fox Racing shocks and Eibach springs also come standard. Those are the key elements in all our Vigilante builds. The key to us is always to maintain the classic vintage look, but enhance and increase the drivability, the handling, and the performance. One would think building a small Scrambler like this would be an easy task. But integrating all that modern functionality and staying under the radar, that's a tricky one. You probably think these are stock wagon wheels. No way. Just like all our other builds, these are 17-inch wheels instead of 15-inch wheels. Why do we do that? Because that's the only way that we can integrate 6-piston calipers behind each wheel, providing excellent stopping power for modern traffic. These hubcaps are not stock. That's right, these are 6-lug wheels, not 5-lug like the original. The original hubcap got 3D scanned and put into CAD and redesigned around a 6-lug pattern. Whether you drive this Jeep open or closed, modern climate control is available for hot and cold air. Behind the dash and in the cargo area, our JL audio speakers and amplifiers provide Bluetooth connectivity over the stock radio, but also provides high quality sound when driving down the road. Behind these wheels, you'll find an electronic parking brake that's controlled by a button on the dash that blends in with the rest of the environment. Safety is always key. So next to modern braking power, we also have headrests on all 4 seats and modern seat belts. The spare tire carrier on these Jeeps was really light and left a lot of room for improvement. We redesigned a swing-out tire carrier that's way sturdier and that holds our 17-inch wheel effortlessly. Serviceability, because under the hood is a 392 Hemi crate engine, this Jeep can be serviced throughout the Jeep and Dodge dealership network anywhere in the world. So let's pop the hood and let's see what powers this beast. The mighty 392 Hemi crate engine, producing 485 horsepower and plenty of torque. Behind that, a Bowler automatic or a 5-speed Tremec transmission. And then, as always, an Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly transfer case sitting behind that. Disc brakes all around, and of course our beloved Hydro Boost unit under the hood, giving you excellent braking power. It was a real pleasure working with the Schwab team. They gave us full creative control, but of course we respected the design elements of the Schwab brand. 4 things stand out, and those make this particular vehicle the Schwab Scrambler. First of all, the lettering here. We borrowed the Jeep font and rebranded it to Schwab. The royal tartan fabric can be found back on the seat inserts, the door cards, the keychain, and the sun visors. Just like the previous Schwab builds, this color is a Schwab blue. Last but not least, the spare tire cover honors the Colonial Country Club at which the tournament takes place in Fort Worth. Now that we've seen what makes this particular car so special for the Schwab tournament, let's dive into what the production vehicle looks like. So these Vigilante Scramblers come under 2 different formats, but they all start with a native Jeep identity. For the purists that just want to have better driving performance, we can restore the stock body just the same way that we do with the traditional Wagoneers, Cherokees, and the J-Trucks. Stock body gets stripped down to the bare metal and then respectfully restored. The current lead time on these builds is still around 2 years, just like with the other production vehicles. The second option, which accelerates the production timeline, is to work with an aluminum body, which is way stronger than the stock body, specifically designed for us here at Vigilante. The benefits of an aluminum body: first of all, it's way stronger. Secondly, it won't rust. And third, we can accelerate the whole process by powder coating it instead of going through the traditional paint process. The combination of those processes allow us to reduce the build time from 2 years down to 9 months, allowing you to have the vehicle in a shorter time frame, possibly before Christmas. A selection of 10 signature Vigilante body colors have been made for you, staying respectful to the native Jeep colors, but upgrading them to our standards. 4 variants of decal packages are available and can easily be configured online on our website. While we foresee that most of our clients already have a Wagoneer or Cherokee, they want to add the Scrambler to their collection to drive it topless. Nevertheless, we offer this vehicle with a full soft top, a hard top, a half cap hard top, or a sapphire top. Interior-wise, if we're working in a stock restoration format, we'll be respectful of the traditional packages that were available. Laredo seats, original carpet, etc., etc. Once we start going with the aluminum body and the full Vigilante format, we've pre-selected materials that are durable, UV resistant, and easy to clean. A selection of fabrics from Chilwich, Sunbrella, and brand new seats give you the optimal comfort and ease of maintenance. Please continue to share, follow us, and do all the traditional social media stuff. That really helps us build this brand to the next level. I invite you to check out our website, vigilante4x4.com, where you'll find back a full configurator on how you can build your dream Scrambler. If you enjoyed this deep dive or if you have questions about the Scrambler, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you very much. Have a great day.